Good morning, Nakamura Clinic, and also Lauren. This is day, what, 6?
6.
6. And we're gonna go to see the deer.
We're gonna eat breakfast free from the hotel.
Kodama, who was glowing last night with Kodama happiness, because apparently he glows in the dark. Hey, pass me the Kodama. I'll put him next to the window. He'll get a better charge.
Nice.
Careful of his coin, though.
His little butt.
Alright, there he goes. Staring off into the great blue wonder. What a cutie! On the ferry. Are on the ferry. What is this called? The Miyajima ferry. To go to the Deer Island, where we will jump upon the backs of deers and ride them into the city.
You usually can go and walk out to it. Sometimes. It's like
There it is! It's first deer. It's the first deer of the island. It's the welcoming deer. It's the welcoming committee.
See, there's more of them. The welcoming committee. Here you go, Morgan.
Can I name this deer?
And then put it in the very.
I'm naming this deer Markle.
Mommy, can you take a picture with the deer? Of course. Again. Just take
These people better not scare away Markle.
Markle. Or not. We can just take one with someone later. Yeah, let's just take it.
No, this one's Markle.
Basically, go up to it, Sarah.
Okay. Hey, Markle.
He's coming up to you.
Hi, Markle.
There you go, Sarah.
Markle. Hi, Markle.
Let me take pictures.
Markle's gonna eat your camera.
Oops. I love you.
Give him a hug.
Mom, she put it on. Markle, look at the camera.
Markle.
Look at me. Look at me. No, Markle. Where are you going? It's fine. I got one extra. Okay. Alright, let's go find more deer.
Oh, but
The
Markle.
most precious thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
Markle's mine.
I love you.
Let's find identifying.
It should be named Yaku.
You can name the next one. This one's Markle.
Okay, let's go. Let's find more deer.
Bye, Markle.
Okay, Mommy, next time check if the camera's on. You too. Bye.
See you, Markle.
Make sure it is on.
Lauren, go chill with Yaku.
Yaku. Better.
Yaku.
It's got like bulbs on its head.
Yeah, that's why I named it Yaku.
I'm gonna take a selfie with a deer.
Do it. Did it work?
Yes. He's like, what the heck are you doing? Say I'm taking a selfie with a deer. This is so weird.
It's Yaku.
Whatever. Whatever.
You guys are...
It's getting more and more awake. I think it hates you.
Hey, Yaku.
Take a selfie with the deer. If that thing gets up and like, boom. Alright, let's move.
Lauren, what's this one's name? It's your turn.
What is... Either I just sat on something or that dead deer is dirty. Camel.
Camel? Camel.
Yeah.
Camel? That's a terrible name.
I wish I could see answers to Snapchat though. It was just
For such a cute deer.
Let's go.
fall, Sarah. These are just a gorgeously bright red flower.
Wow.
The leaves turn. No
The maple.
flowers. Japanese maple. Brilliant reds, oranges.
We'll do it again. Hi, deer. What's up with the deer? Here we go. Oh, look away. Look up. Ah, look up. Look up. Why would you look up?
Camel's not interested.
Yeah, do that.
What? Oh, okay. He's not looking anymore. Oh, where are you
He's
going?
like, whatever.
Oh, you're gonna. Oh, okay. See you later.
See him in another life, man.
We are on Miyajima, I believe, Deer Island, where there's deer casually walking around pretty much anywhere, and they don't really care about you. You know, you can pet them. And it's really pretty. There's lots of cherry blossoms, and it's just really nice. We're in Deer Island. We're gonna name you Calcifer, because you ate Morgan's scarf and then she kneed you in the face. Morgan? How dare you? How dare
I
you?
elbowed a deer in the face.
You elbowed Calcifer in the face.
Yeah, very good. I elbowed the deer in the face.
This one's turnip
My
head.
deer. Turnip head. Oh my goodness. Oh dear.
See you, turnip.
We use the water bottles. I know we like the water bottles. We'll get another one. Okay.
Can't believe you elbowed that deer in the face.
It was
You straight up beat it up.
The thing was eat my stuff. Of course I'm gonna elbow it in the face. Look at Sarah.
Ah! Turnip head? Are you gonna chill with us?
Come on, I want a bit more.
Turnip head.
Ain't nothing but a deer. Let's go. Here we go.
He's rolling with our crew.
Yeah.
Woo. Do we get the booty?
She do.
We do.
Whole body like shimmering.
Everywhere you look.
Why is it white? Deer.
Deer. And in the middle of Deer Island, there's a vending machine. There's a deer. And if you look over there, there's a deer. And you look over here, there's a lion. Hey, what are you doing?
I don't know whose that is.
It's mine.
Oh, it's yours?
Leave your bag.
Leave your bag. Demon deer.
Yes.
That is
Narky
not the
little
companion.
Come here. You want some more?
Say,
Eat my bag.
Hanging on that hook.
Eat it. Oh my gosh. Look at him. You gonna do it some more? Really?
There, look.
Look, are you really gonna eat my bag more? Yeah.
Morgan.
It's trying to get your bag now.
They're like right there.
Oi! Apologize! Look at what the demon deer did to my stuff. Demon deer! So cute! Been attacked by a deer. I've seen the shrine out on the water. And by attacked, I mean like I set my bag down and it ate my bag. But there's cherry blossoms and shrines and deer and maple flavored things, and it's very beautiful. There's some deer. It's all very lovely. Everywhere you look, you see an opportunity for a picture. And I passed through those gates back there that you can't really see. And I felt like I really stepped into something important. Like a threshold. Right now it's lots of tourists, but you know, at one point this would have been very sacred ground. At least I think. It's the feeling that I got. Even now it's sacred. We watched someone go by in their wedding carriage. So to them it's sacred. Even if it is crawling with tourists, to them it's going to be a place that they remember. Somewhere special.
All around the world, there are these white posts that say in 4 different languages, "May peace prevail on earth," and they're hidden all over the world. And you have to find them, and there are 2 where we're going to go at 4 o'clock.
Really?
Yes, it's very, very, very cool. They're beautiful.
Are you serious? What is
You're my
so
best friend. You have to
delicious about my
You're my best
plastic
friend.
bags?
I'm in love with you. You're my best friend. Can we take a selfie? Woo! I'm gonna do it too. We're best friends.
Hi.
Come here. Come here, little deer. Oh, looked away from me. So just come here, dear. Come here.
Move your leg around them. All right, let's see if the deer
Look at it.
follows the bag.
No, it's following me. Because it's my best friend.
I think it's following Sarah.
It's following me.
It's not following either of us.
I think it's just going. Bye, baby. Alright, love you. Okay. Later, BFF. I'll text you.
Well, you said you wanted to get to know one. I wanted to get to know you
I
before
did get
you
to
would.
know it. Look, it's my best friend now. Hey guys, give me the old Razzle Dazzle.
So we're just chilling
It's
here.
about 2 hours.
We are just chilling here with Turnip Head, talking to other
Yeah, it's 2 hours
tourists.
long.
You know,
But I think the
Turnip
only
and
way
I-
to get there is by driving.
buds. Lauren almost stepped in some shika. Unko. Unko. And they are shika.
Shika no unko.
Shika no unko.
That's so funny.
Oh, more deer.
Like ducks at the pond.
But it's okay. Me and
Yeah, you should come
Turnip.
with us to Rabbit Island.
Me and Turnip. That's what I'm saying.
Come hang out with us, dude.
We're going to Rabbit Island tomorrow. You want to come?
We'll bring Turnip.
We'll bring Turnip. How much is Turnip? Let's buy him.
Let's go, Kabu.
Let's go.
They have to work.
Let's go, Turnip, baby. I'll buy you. I'm sure you and Audrey will get along.
That looks like
Hey, Turnip. How you feeling? Just kind of chilling out? Oh, you're kind of sleepy, aren't you? Am I hitting the spot? Am I hitting the spot, Turnip?
Really? As it gets boring.
Ooh, you hear those birds. You hear those birds.
The only thing really to do is the aquariums once you've been there. Once or
Yeah.
twice.
Yeah. You cute. You are cute. See you, Turnip Head.
Okinawa?
No.
Kaba. What you looking at? Hmm? Are you looking for Kabu?
Squadron. They're best friends, but they're not in the same squadron.
How could you be best friends with?
They were stationed together. Honey, you didn't see her at her best moment. She was drinking a lot.
We all know it.
Oh, some chicken was not very nice to me. I was about to not be very nice to
No,
her.
give me a few comments of the chicken shack before
No,
I
but
get
she
there.
had been drinking a lot.
Okay, so there's
When
chicken.
she was at my
right?
house, and when
It's
she started
not
to
really
come
in
with
the
the
shack.
girls, Morgan had gone
Liberating.
There's a lot of
She came back
lanterns.
in
Okay, here you go.
and went upstairs and tried on some clothes.
I put on the dress and the boots.
Yeah, so she put on the clothes and came downstairs. Hey, Mom, what do you think?
Plus.
And Tracy's like,
Oh dear.
Right up the stairs.
They're schoolgirls
Oh, she's not very friendly.
over there. There's cherry blossoms.
She has a very strong opinion.
There's
opinionated.
too much.
Like, no, I don't care what she says. I don't even know.
Too much for me to love.
I have an opinion.
It's awakuniexplorer.com.
That's what I said.
No, I put Awakuni Explorer. I was trying to.
Too much for me to love.
Oh, okay. Get out of the shit.
I said you're gonna be too low.
So many bumps, you can see all the cherry blossoms. I have to pee so bad, dude.
Pretty much.
I'm gonna squeeze
That car's gonna have an
Yeah, they're pretty. Lauren,
What?
look out the window. See these yellow flowers? No. Look familiar?
No, I don't see it.
Dandelions.
Oh yes.
Look familiar?
Why are there
why.
lots of people under the bridge?
That's the yellow pictures I took that picture of you when you were a baby. Those are the flowers. They're blooming right now.
What is going on down there?
It's like it's a hanami where they go and sit
This
around
flower
and look at the
viewing?
flowers. Yeah. But the thing is it's hard. You have to, like, obviously it's like a big corporate group or something, and it's hard for them to plan the exact dates. So they probably planned it. And
This is a very specific story. Has this happened to you before?
What?
Like gathered under a bridge for a hanami?
No, but I have friends whose
Oh.
spouses or whatever. I've made friends with Japanese nationals, and so I can get the scoop. Like Sunday, I'm going on a Japanese.
It's a very
bus
specific
tour
guess.
to go see
that
archery on
bridge.
horseback and.
This has ever happened to you before.
So it'll be very interesting.
Wait,
to
I'm
see
sorry.
if
What is a hanami?
Hana is flower, and
Flower
then if you add a
viewing.
me on the end of it,
Ah.
it's
Meet them, like
Yeah, that's what I
sitting
thought.
around,
Oh yeah, Sarah.
picnicking, and
By
enjoying
the
the
bridge, you
flowers.
see like a whole bunch of
Wow.
like big stones. We have baby pictures right there. In that exact spot.
Are you wanting to cross the bridge?
The Kintai Bridge?
Yes.
Sure, yes.
Okay.
What?
Because it depends on where.
I thought we weren't going to the castle.
Wait, we're already here?
Yeah, that's the
There
bridge.
it is.
Oh!
That's the bridge right
Whoa!
All right.
Told you.
It's recording. Stop making your I need to pee gesture.
Like the summer.
I need to pee! Wow, what a beautiful place! Look at the beautiful water and the beautiful cherry blossoms and this beautiful historic bridge and that beautiful castle.
I'm gonna pee on
And all you have to say is I
don't
have
think you
to
understand. I
pee. Get away from me.
I'm running away.
Run away.
Well, the Japanese will return.
Oh, did not realize. Okay.
Yeah, these are little steps. Yeah, they're
Got my first blonde comment.
Oh, what'd you say? What'd she say?
gold hair.
That's it? Just gold hair.
She said so cute. So cute. So cute is so beautiful.
Hide.
I just thought to pronounce Sakura wrong.
Hide. Yeah. Just does not.
I mean, you can make it.
There's actually nothing on this earth more beautiful than cherry blossoms on the Kintai Bridge. Nothing. There's nothing more beautiful. Nothing can beat this. I want to be proposed to here. I want to get married here. I want to live here and raise my children under that tree and never leave it. I want to eat at that 100 flavors ice cream place for the rest of my life. Hey guys, give me the old Razzle Dazzle. So this is where you would go for your hanami, your cherry blossom viewing. We're at the very end of the festival though, so lots of the cherry blossoms no longer attached to the trees. But still, it is gorgeous. We are with a friend of Lauren's family who lives here on base. Wow! Hey Lauren! Pink cherry blossoms. Just chilling out. Hiding out in the corner.
That's what we have.
That's what you have. Shiro sakura.
Shiroi sakura.
Pink!
Pink na sakura.
And the Kintai Bridge. Excuse me, milady, I am recording. What is going on?
That would be my family.
Beautiful.
There's the castle that we'll never go see. Ever.
See that little
Castle, what you see in
brick.
castle, that one is nothing, but it's
So now we're walking around the gardens. And there's a tree in the middle of the street. Look at this crazy tree.
reminds me of
Why? Kabu.
because it's just doing what it wants, similar to Kabu.
Kabu had a spirit. He had a free mind.
Yeah, he did. He inspires me on the daily. I've only known him for like 6 hours, but I'm sure he'll inspire me on the daily.
These ducks are heading right for me. Look at these ducks. I'm not feeding you.
They really are.
Get away from... Good. I don't trust your kind. Last thing I need is attacked by a Japanese bird. It's a conspiracy. Ruined this beautiful video with my fears. There are koi fish out there. About the size of the... Probably bigger than the ducks. They could probably eat the ducks.
Sarah, koi.
Where?
No, that's actually a shark.
Oh! God, it's huge!
Yep.
That's like as tall as I am!
Is Tony sad that he's not here?
No, they're definitely not any fish alive.
Somebody throw something in, they'll think it's food.
If you spit, they'll come to you.
You spit then. Yeah, exactly.
Not a shack. It's okay.
What? 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 What?
Yeah, I love some. Sarah, I love how your expectations were an actual shack.
I thought it was like McDonald's but for chicken.
Yeah, basically.
For chicken.
So apparently this is Chicken Shack.
It was an icicle.
Apparently this is the Chicken Shack. You know why? But this is not what I expected.
Actually, when I was told about it, I didn't expect it either. I expected this tiny little place.
I expected a stick-built shack.
Yeah.
That's what I expected.
Because you said we sit near a waterfall on our feet and I was like, oh, it must be like a little tiny place.
What? What?
There's a car coming.
Giant koi banners. Giant people. Shrines, more giant people. Sakura, tons of sakura. The drums.
This is where the inside is and the tables. Now during a beautiful summer day, you go that way. We'll show you those.
Are we eating out there?
Why is Totoro up there?
That part's gonna be open.
Why?
What is he doing here?
Cold, 'cause it's not that
Oh my god, look at how big it is. Look at them. But there is a waterfall.
I'm like, alright, fruitful business it is.
And then there's like a temple.
Fruitful business.
And we're in a kotatsu. And everyone else is in a kotatsu.
Oh yeah.
And there's lanterns.
I don't remember how they do it. It's like, how do they do it at festivals? There's like a certain rhythm they do.
Man, you guys are pros. Is this just like a small village? What is up there? Is the chickens? Is that where the people who work at the chicken shack live? Do they ever leave?
Oh yeah. You want to see the other dining area real quick?
Yes.
Really pretty. And then we
the
must
Spirited
move.
Away place?
What?
It looks like Spirited Away. Welcome to Spirited Away.
Oh my. What? This place is beautiful. This is like Spirited Away meets that movie with Rufio.
Mommy, can I skip one?
This is tucked in the middle of nowhere. Is that a bridge? Is that a gaping abyss? That looks like a gaping abyss. I'm gonna go down there. It is not, in fact, a gaping abyss, but a beautiful stream with a cat bus. This is a seating area for a restaurant. Tiny bridge. Hi!
Alright, you'll have to get these pictures from your seat.
Guys! That toss.